Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Viana's Beauty. Welcome back to my page. If you're watching me from TikTok or from any of my other social media platforms, so for all the beauty lovers, today we're going to be creating a simple makeup without eyelashes. Okay, so makeup artists usually have this mentality that you must put eyelashes, you must apply eyelashes for your makeup to pop. That's true, but you can be wearing eyelashes for every occasions. Like now I'm going to church, and like if I apply eyelashes, my makeup will just look too heavy. Eyelashes make everything come together, but like I don't think it's an everyday thing. You shouldn't be wearing eyelashes every day, because there's a reason why God gave you your own lashes. So yeah, I am applying concealer on my crease, just because I'll be applying a matte eyeshadow, as you can see me doing, and the concealer will just help the matte shadow pop some more. And going back into that same Jivia palette, that mini Jivia palette, I'll use the brighter color, the one I put in my inner corner. Now I'm blending everything out using this fluffy blending brush I got from BH Cosmetics. And to just make the eyes pop some more, I always like to apply liner. Guys, lining is my best thing. Like I can go without eyeshadow, but you see lining, I must line my eyes. After creating that frame, I'm just trying to fill it up, guys. For the first time, there's going to be a long tutorial. This is like a detailed tutorial. It's very important. If you're not applying lashes, it's very important for you to comb out your lashes, your natural lashes. It just gives it some volume and some depth. Now going in with my primer, I'm using the 01 primer. I'm just going to press that into my skin, and the foundation I'm using today is from Mary Kay. It's the old one, and this should be Bronze 5. I think I combined it with another foundation. This one is from Glow Up. This foundation now is from Glow Up. The one I combined it with is from Glow Up. And usually I like applying my foundation with a flat brush. What do you use in applying your foundation? Is it a makeup brush, a sponge? Just comment down below, let us know, because we have different techniques. There's no right or wrong with makeup. So yeah, I usually go over with the blending sponge to blend everything out. This just makes the foundation looks very natural. Guys, I'm so loving this eyes, the blending. I took my time to blend this eyelash, even though it was a Sunday and I was running out of time, but yeah, you can see the transition between the colors. So yeah, I'll be highlighting with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fun. You can see it's not very different. I think it's just a shade lighter, and it's okay for me like that, because I didn't want to appear too fair, because I feel I'm getting too fair. So that's it. So you just go over, blend and blend. And now I think I've just been talking too much, and I guess I'll just give some time for the background music to play so that you enjoy, and then we'll come back later. Please don't miss my voice too much. So now my new routine is I set before I bake, going in with a slight powder and just using the brush. I started with the blending brush, the blending sponge, but I couldn't and discontinued, because usually I use one clean blending sponge for my entire face. So since it was wet, it wasn't giving me what I want. After setting, I go ahead to bake, and I'm using the pannier to bake. Yeah, my highlighted parts. Guys, what do you like about this eye look? This eye is giving me the chills. Like, it's giving. I just wish I'd applied lashes, but it's just on the surface, and I only apply lashes on special occasions. So I always like my makeup to kind of look like me. Who has that same feeling? Some people, like, it's just, except it's your wedding or it's your birthday or it's really a big event, I would not like to just go like wow wow wow. I say like people to identify me as Vivian, so yeah. And I'm in the choir, so I always try not to do too much, but because of my social media platforms, I have to be producing content and all that. I have to kind of like come out of my comfort zone. That's why I did this eye look. I think on this particular day I did a try on haul, deciding the dress I'll wear for this look. So guys, watch out for that on my channel, my TikTok. Now I've been doing lots of try on, so if it's something you're interested in, please drop it in the comment section. So just swiping out that powder, I'm using this brush because it helps to blend out all the harsh lines between the contour. I didn't cream contour, but it's important for you, even if you've not cream contour, to give a transition between your highlighter, your normal foundation, and your cream contour. So I usually go over with that brush. Now getting to the lips, which is my favorite part, but I hardly know what to do with my lips because my lips are so fussy, guys. Not all colors suit me. Before I get the lip combo for my lips, it's usually such a challenge. Yeah, and this lip pencil I'm using is from Juvia's Place. Yep. And then I'm going back with that kind of dark red, my outer corner. It was so confusing, and I ended up not getting the right lips. I did the right lips, but because I was looking for perfection, I ended up spoiling it. You're going to see what I mean. And towards the end, yeah, so this would have been okay. This would have kind of like suit my eyes, but I was like, nah, I'm going to go extra. I ended up being inside, and what made it worse was when I went for the lip gloss. Oh my god, the lip gloss just combined everything, and everything it became muffled. I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, I don't like this lips. I later on, before I went to church, I just wiped it off and decided to go only on lip gloss. But for the sake of this video, yeah, I will just use these lips. So basically, this is the finished look. I just applied my setting spray to keep my makeup in place. I like doing my lower eyelash. This can spoil your entire makeup. So when doing this step, you have to be very careful. You have to take your time, because I do this last because I discovered that when I do it after I've done my eye, in the course of doing the foundation, the concealer, everything just gets messy, and I have to go over it after my makeup. So I just keep it to do it last, and it really makes a huge difference. I go back with my eyeliner, because same thing, in the course of doing all the makeup, some of the eyeliner sorry guys, some of the eyeliner got wiped off. So this is the look. Now after creating this look, I did a TikTok video, and I was singing, I've been drinking alcohol for the past 5 days. Did you check on me? I'm doing this video